If you're looking to adjust your age in Brawl Stars, unfortunately, there isn't a direct in-game option to do so. However, there's a workaround. You'll need to reach out to Brawl Stars support for assistance with this matter. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to proceed. Open your preferred web browser and search for Brawl Stars contact form using Google. Click on the first link that appears, as it should lead you to the official Brawl Stars contact page. Once on the contact page, scroll down until you find the appropriate section or option to submit your request. You may need to provide some details, such as your player tag, to help the support team locate your account. You can find your player tag by navigating to the game, tapping on your name in the top left corner, and locating it underneath your icon. Enter your player tag in the designated field on the contact form. Complete any necessary verification steps, such as proving you're not a robot by completing a CAPTCHA. After filling out all the required information, submit your request by clicking on the relevant button labeled Submit or similar. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a reply from the Brawl Stars support team. They should respond to your inquiry and assist you with resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to communicate your request to change your age in Brawl Stars effectively.